Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor Mohinder Chand, Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Dear students, today we will discuss on the subject Tourism and Hospitality, paper, travel agency, and to our operations, itinerary preparations, and to our package design. Module 36, Planning and Components of Package Tour. Let us discuss the learning outcomes. After completion of this module, students will be able to understand the meaning of package tour, know the main components of package tour, understand the planning of package tour. Let us discuss the introduction. There are many types of travelers, including vacation travelers, people visiting friends and family, and people traveling on business worldwide, and particularly across Europe and America. Leisure travels has been changed by the growth of affluent, well-educated adult travelers and the decline of the middle income family travelers. Extensive quantitative research indicates that the Northwest Territories' current and highest potential beat audience are main tourists. In the previous models, we have discussed tour package concept and meaning. Now, the students are familiar with the tour package concept and meaning. They are also introduced with the types, significance, and limitations of tour package. Now, our focus is to develop an understanding on what should be included in a standard tour package and how a tour package is developed. This model describes the main components of a standard tour and also discuss the planning of a tour package. Now, let us discuss the planning and components of package tour. Meaning of package tour. Package tour comprises fare, accommodation, meals, ground transportation, tour guide, taxes, and other services. A package tour or package vacation, package holiday includes transportation, accommodation, currency, insurance, a rental car, chartered airlines, cruise, and other facilities, and sold by tour operators. In fact, a tour package is a complete trip, usually including fare, accommodation, meals, ground transport, tour guide, taxes, etc. in one all-inclusive prices. A pre-planned organized travel experience consisting of several and separate elements operated over a fixed itinerary and time frame. These programs may be wide spectrum, introduce adding inventories, activities, regulation requirements, and different others accommodation, and in two of the following components: air transportation, surface transportation, local transportation, car or recreational vehicle rental, sightseeings or guide services, meal and entertainment. Small tourism businesses often partner with other local services to create a more complete product. An example of this would be the canoe guiding business that combines the services with a hotel to form a package. The same tourism business may be instead sell to service to a tour operator, thus becoming a popular the part of tour operators package. For example, AC King's business could be approached by a van tour companies that wants to include C segment to its tour package. the main company agrees and become part of the tour company's package. Independent business operators from around the Northwest Territory may offer one component or service for sale to tour operators, thereby becoming a supplier to a tour operators. For example, an amateur live stage theater in Yellowknife may sell different type of products, sell art tours. A professional tour operator offers a variety of tour comprises of many products and services to more than one market. Tour operators are always seeking new products and the services to include in their package. Let us discuss the components of package tour. What should be a part of or included in a standard tour package? Still debatable issue. Generally, the elements or components of a tour package are based on tourists' liking or vary from company to company, market to market, and destination to destination. Generally, packages may include a wide variety of components and vary according to a key elements or theme. Components may include transportation to or within the destination area, flights, vehicles or maybe bicycles, rental, vans, boat, bus transport operators, accommodations and route or at the destination, hotels, motels, bed and breakfast, cottage, campgrounds, meals or at en route to the destination. Bed and breakfast plan, all meals includes meal vouchers at a variety of restaurants. Activities of entertainment which may be the main reason for the package or the secondary to the tour. Adventure, recreational or educational activities, workshops or conventions, visit to museum or galleries, evening slides, sightseeing, souvenirs, arts, photo, galleries, gifts of local arts or crafts, related services, the guiding services, instructors, equipments, car rentals, equipments, different sales, services, welcome, reception, baggage handling, extra and other services. Self-helping coffee discount coupon from local gift shops now. Planning of package tour. Over the years, the functions of travel agencies and tour operators have diversified considerably. Obviously, the scope, pattern, structure and size of tour operation have increased manifold. Today, tour operators are facing with intense international pressure in the form of competitions, and to cope with that type, they are to design and develop tour package to meet the requirements of ever demanding and sophisticated consumers. Designing and developing tours, working with retail travel agencies and vendors, principal suppliers, formulating effective and extensive marketing plan, determining costs and price, operating and managing a tour, dealing with travel documents and legal formalities, handling the finance are the activities that are not easy to be handled, rather involve commitment, determinations, foresightedness on the one hand and a great degree of risk on the other. Thus, the process of planning a tour package and thereby satisfying the tourists can be a series of stages starting from market research and lasting with the actual operation of a tour. Exploring tourism supply and demand. First point, the main objective of tour package research is to analyze the and understanding the key elements of markets with particular tourist market and to destination. Generally, many tour operators find that it is very difficult to arrange all things for all peoples. Conceptually, a tour operators undertake the following steps before starting the tourism market research, such as identification of accommodation, political risks, social and other factors to influence the future development of package tour. The target market, where the target market is small, the tour operators must obtain a large percentage to make a tour successful. What if the market is large? He tries to capture the different markets, different targets and conduct the various types of research, identifications of the key destinations and a comparative study of alternative destinations, approaching the suppliers and making the policy decision. Therefore, it is certainly not to suggest that one should not enter the tour market, what rather stress the importance of understanding marketing research prior to investing amount and time on a tour that the study would have shown to the unprofitable or promising. Designing tour itinerary. Once the study regarding the destinations and the target markets has been conducted, the second phase in the development process involved working out an effective tour itinerary. Generally, the new tour operators undertake FAM tours and after successful operation, they develop an itinerary. The itinerary is a summarized tour program which is designed to identify the origin points, destination points and route points, accommodation, transportation, sightseeing activities and other services. Moreover, an itinerary shows the sequence of various tour ingredients and provides essential information such as assembling point, departure point, date of departure and duration of tour, legal requirements, features of destination, options available, meals, activities. Thus, itinerary development have become the crux and for central point for the success of a tour company. Next point, negotiation with tourism suppliers, vendors. Once the itinerary is finalized, the next step is to negotiate with prospective vendors. The tour planners works with many vendors depending upon the nature and size of the tour. The major ones are airlines, lodging companies, transportation operators, car rentals, ground operators, sightseeing vendors and so on. A tour planner has an option to negotiate with air carriers directly or through the travel agencies. Negotiation with hotels generally more informal than the case of airlines. Negotiation with lodging properties should be initiated on an appointment basis, meeting with top executives in each property. If at all possible, further a tour operators also negotiate with the other vendors such as ground operators, restaurants, transport operator, sightseeing vendors, insurance companies, banking companies, cruise organizations and even others who are indirectly dealing with tourist services, which are the part of tour package. Therefore, any tour company wishing to obtain group rates must abide by all rules and conditions formal in order to quality such rates further. The negotiation concerning various services and consciousness from the various transport operators will depend upon how the airlines dealing with the tour operators. Busting for tours. We know that the revenues from tours can be unpredictable, but cost will be relatively fixed. Therefore, a tour planner has to consider important steps when exploring the financial implications of the offering tour, such as determining your goals, tour generation income, market size, product size, budget should be considered, and expenses will be considered beforehand. Determining what to charge, take a look at what other charges in this area. Tour admissions towards related with the different factors which are considered, knowing what you are considering successful, whether these are the part of this. Next point, financial plan. It includes projected income statement, cash flow statement, and pro forma balance sheets that provide detailed monthly operating forecast for the first year of operations and annual forecast for the next 2 years, including opening balance sheet statement of different expenses, incomes, costs, sources of incomes. Next points, regulatory requirements. Regulatory requirements covering government and financial approvals, concentrating various types of activities and preparations time before the launching product operations. Next, costing and pricing a package tour. In simple terms, cost means the total expenses incurred to change the shape or individual ingredients into a tour package. As a general rule, the elements that make up the total cost of a tour package can be broken into various categories as air travel cost, accommodation cost, local arrangement cost, payroll cost, research costs, marketing costs, and other expenses. After costing of a package tour planner determine the exchange rate, estimating the future selling price, and finalizing the tour prices. The tour planners has to finalize the price structure sometime before 10 months of the operation of tour. Therefore, apart from the usual hurdles of determining the tour price in adventure tour, in operation, must obviously financial linkage such as foreign exchange for payment of airlines, hotels, and our destination agencies. Till today, there is no special costing approach which is used in tour operation industry. However, as per the prevailing costing practices, one can visualize the following steps by step procedure widely used in the tour operators industry. The costing process involves several steps, even enough through step are not standard or generalized. One, what can be changed, modified to meet the individual needs of the tour company. However, it is suggested that new tour operator must adopt step-by-step approach of costing a tour package, because the cost is the basis for determinations of the right amount of profit, and so it is biggest challenge for the tour planners. Next, administrative staff. Since the tour operation business is seasonal in nature, it requires extra personnel to meet the increasing needs. Tour operators are usually clear about what they want while selecting administrative staff to perform the extra activities, maybe at a particular destination or at resort. Tour operators recruit persons with friendly and sociable personality, organization having skills, good humor, sense of ethics, the ability to make decision and love the people, place. Tour managers are themselves in much skilled, but they also encourage others to improve all these things. Members in the cultures and language and generate business. Generally, the same staff come and works for the same operators every year, which reduce the need for training. Many tour operators recruit mostly these type of staffs like guides, representatives, escort, so forth on a part-time basis or at the time of the requirements. Then marketing package tour. Generally, the international tour marketing is relatively more complex and difficult than domestic tour marketing. International tour market is composed mainly of tours organized and planned in another country and operated in other countries. Although the tour components in different types of tours are different, but the tour marketing is similar to much extent. In one tour operators handling the tours of different countries, destinations. Interestingly, obtaining the contacts to handle inbound tours at a different locations. Outbound tours, for outbound tours, the tour operator usually required to approach each and every ground operator separately to acquire different type of service. In many cases, a tour operator undertakes substantial contracting with inbound tour operators or ground operators to provide services as prescribed in the tour programs. However, for marketing inbound tours, a tour operator prepare the list of those tour companies and travel agencies which are interested in travel business from the destination served by the inbound tour operator. Thus, it is clear that tour operators will either offer the tours directly to the market or sell them through travel agencies. Whichever method of distribution he chooses, sales will increase on product basis. Marketing techniques are well defined, like promotional campaigns applied to prepare the tour package. Preparation of the tour operator's brochure. The tour brochure is vital marketing tools in the hands of tour operators. It is a comprehensive tools which motivates potential holiday makers to purchase tourist products, services according to Holloway. A tour brochure includes information like name of tour company, responsible for tour, transportation mode, airlines name, aircraft types, use of schedules, chartered services, details of destinations, itineraries, and travel times, duration of the tour, nights and days, description of destination, types of accommodations and meals, services of ground operators, prices, extra charges, clearly indicates details of special arrangements and facilities, full booking conditions including cancellation terms, any optional or compulsory insurance coverage, documentations required for travel to a destination, any health insurance or other recommendations. Next point, actual operations and executions of a tour. The success of a tour operator depends on how efficiently it operates a tour. This phase is very crucial and has capacity to convert promises into realities. So, almost care has to be taken to realize whatever had been promised in the package tour to offer to a tourist. An experienced tour operator develops tour manuals for the manager, tour escort, tour guides, destination companies and for other services providers to provide defined specified services. A tour manual provides procedures and policies to conduct tours in more professional manners and the ways in which procedure should be implemented as the tour programs from beginning to end. Moreover, it includes location, travel, supply, logistic, times of operation, insurance, risk management practices, cash, credit handling, hiring, charges, etc. Next, post-tour management. The phase is relatively more crucial, which involves preparations of several reports and their evaluation. In fact, it reveals the success of the tour, where tour planners should go for comparative analysis of the perceived goals, actual achievement and the objectives of the company, the tourists, the financial gains and the effectiveness of the tour package. Many tour companies have a policy to obtain tour managers' perceptions regarding what tour participants, members liked the most, about what they disliked. Detailed vendor reports are often required to evaluate the services rendered and products provided by these vendors. These reports are evaluated and revised to identify real or potential problems constantly. Tour companies decrease that if there more vendors problems which were serious enough to consider making a change. Tour managers should find out the different ways to identify the different ingredients in the next tour package. Normally, each evaluation response is statistically analyzed to calculate a mean average in determining the overall tour members' opinion. Other statistical tools may, however, be used to obtain more accurate results. These findings give an idea of how the next tour is to be planned, designed and marketed. Let us discuss summary. The plan describes your business goals and the business concept in relation to tourism markets. It outlines the ways, procedure in which you intend to launch your package. It incorporates a detailed analysis involving destination search, market demand, itinerary development, negotiation with vendors, and busting, costing and pricing, promotion of package, actual operations, and finally pre-tour management. Your tour package plan will guide you as well as others as what your business can be expected to achieve vice versa vis-a-vis tourism satisfaction. It is clear that a tour package provides basic, timely, accurate and comparable information to the tourists. In this model, we have learned the components of a standard tour package and tour designing process, steps. No doubt, these steps vary from tour to tour and company to company. However, it provides a comprehensive information for development and designing of tour package. Thank you for watching EPG Pathshala.